Manish, anyone from your family who is in the defense forces?
No sir, no one. I'm the first one.
You will be the first one.
Yes, sir.
So what inspired you that you want to pursue a career in armed forces? What is the inspiration?
Sir, like there's been many inspirations, like the lot of stories I've heard, but my biggest inspiration is that when I went to IMA POP rehearsal last year from DDA.
Doon Defence Academy, Sandeep
Jai Hind, I'm Prashant from Sandeep's Doon Defence Academy, and today we have another inspiring session with one of our young cadet who is a cadet of course 02 of Pratham foundation course of Doon Defence Academy, and he has achieved a great feat. In his first attempt, he had cleared the NDA written examination. The written examination. He is yet waiting for his SSB, but in his first attempt, because he is still in class 12th, he will be appearing for his board examination in March 2026. But it is a great feat to clear your NDA written examination in first attempt. He has been with Doon Defence Academy from 2024. He joined Doon Defence Academy as a cadet of Pratham course 02 in 2024, and we will discuss his journey in Doon Defence Academy. So we will welcome M. Manish. Manish, welcome to the show.
Thank you, sir.
And first of all, congratulations for such a great achievement.
Thank you, sir.
Not many of the students in their first attempt cracked the written examination. Yes. So Manish, first tell something about yourself, your roots, from where do you hail, about your family.
I'm from Chennai, Tamil Nadu, but originally my family belongs to Andhra, and in my family there are like 5 members, my parents, my sister, me and my grandfather. And we live at Chennai only, sir.
Okay, and you are the youngest or the eldest?
I'm the eldest child.
You are the eldest, yes. And you have a younger sibling?
Yes, sir.
Sister?
Yes, sir, sister.
Oh, okay. And Manish, anyone from your family who is in the defense forces?
No, sir, no one. I'm the first one.
You will be the first one.
Yes, sir.
So what inspired you that you want to pursue a career in armed forces? What is the inspiration?
Sir, like there's been many inspirations, like the lot of stories I've heard. But my biggest inspiration is that when I went to IMA POP rehearsal last year from DDA, the feeling I got, like when I looked at the place, the cadets, their IMA uniform or everything, I liked it so much, and I want to experience it as a cadet myself and also move further on from there.
Okay, and going to that, which wing, what is your preference? Which wing in armed forces? Navy?
Army.
Army.
Yes, sir.
So you have the preference for army?
Yes, sir.
And have the dates been out yet of your SSB?
No, sir, not yet. It will be out in 2 weeks or something. Like the dates have not been confirmed yet.
And you are preparing for SSB
yes,
these days?
Yes.
I'll tell you that M. Manish is a cadet of foundation course, which I've already told you, and the main thing is he's doing his schooling with us, CBSE schooling, no dummy schooling, right Manish?
Yes, sir.
You attend your school regularly?
Yes, sir, almost every day.
And then tell us how did you balance preparing for your academics of schools and parallelly preparing for such a cutthroat competitive examination of NDA?
Sir, like my self-study, I always focus more on NDA and less on school studies, because I always used to stay ahead by the school of 1 or 2 chapters during my self-study before. So it acted like a backup, and it gave me confidence to focus more on NDA and worry less about backlogs that I'll have in school studies.
And the routine of Doon Defence Academy, how is it? How does it help to prepare a cadet for the examination as well as for your board examination?
The routine, it helped me improve my consistency and efficiency, because we are following a fixed routine every day. And so we don't have to think about our routine or what we would do next. We'll automatically complete the job quickly, and also now I'm able to also do multitasking so that I can do school studies, India studies, JEE preparation, and also along with that I'm pursuing my hobbies and interests.
Tell me, what is your routine in the foundation course?
So we wake up by 5.
Okay.
Then by 5:30 we have PT. After some physical fitness, some exercises. After that we get ready, go to school, and I come back by 1 o'clock, eat lunch, I'll get rest. Then after that there's a class. Then we'll play some games, some sports. After that again there would be class till 8. Then I'll eat dinner.
NDA classes in the evening, right?
NDA classes would be in afternoon time.
In the afternoon,
and in evening time we'll have for school studies. And after that, after dinner, I would do my self-study, some workout, and also I do some hobbies like writing stories and all.
Okay.
Then I sleep around by 1:30 or 2.
And this is everyday routine
Yes,
with
sir.
no exception.
No exception.
Okay. And how about teachers? How do they guide when they are preparing you for NDA apart from your board examination? Because both the examination have different approach.
Yes, sir. Yes,
You have
I know.
experienced it right now.
Yes.
So how are the teachers? How do they guide you?
Mainly, the one thing I liked about teachers is that they trusted me and they supported me even when I had doubts on myself. They always believed in my potential and also gave me tips to improve at my weak areas and overall, so that I could do better in my NDA and in academic section. So especially for me, Mithani sir and Uday Mehra sir, they helped me a lot in improving my confidence and also skills in both Indian and academics.
Okay. And talking about written part, which is more difficult, GAT or mathematics?
Generally for people it's mathematics, but I feel the GAT part hard, especially the GA part, which consists of history, geography and polity, because it's very vast and
It's very vast.
I have troubles in remembering things. But my teachers and friends, they gave some mnemonics and tricks to remember, and one of my friends, he used to test me regularly with questions so that it improved my retaining capacity and I could do well in exam.
So you have a steady buddy in Doon Defence
Yes,
Academy.
I have a lot of people in Doon
Okay, so steady buddy you have. Okay, so for you it was maths was easy,
Yes, sir.
and comparatively GAT was quite
Yes,
difficult.
quite
You know,
difficult.
because this year they are saying that the cutoff has been much higher than usual.
Yes,
You
sir.
know, you must be aware of it. And now, like you are preparing for SSB as well. What is the routine of SSB preparation at Doon Defence Academy? Tell us about the mentors, experts, and SSB experts. Like, how
Yes.
do you prepare for SSB at Doon Defence Academy?
So at Doon Defence Academy, I learn about the complete procedure of SSB. First OIR, then after that psychology test, then GTO task and interview. For all of that, there are special like teachers who guided me, and now I'm improving in each of it individually.
Okay, and just I'm asking you,
Yes, sir.
how many qualities do you think there are 50 on OLQs,
Yes,
right,
sir.
Manish?
Yes, sir.
And after joining Doon Defence Academy, how many you think that you have like achieved some of them?
So I feel
Some must have been already with you, and how
Yes,
much?
sir.
है ना?
Sir, I guess I've developed liveliness,
Like
stamina, power of expression, which is very important for SSB, and some other like organizing ability and so on. And before that, I used to have effective intelligence and reasoning ability. These two were main parts of my officer-like qualities.
So, what is the major transformation after becoming a cadet of Doon Defence Academy?
I feel like I developed more maturity, discipline, consistency, and tenacity. So, which made me improve my personality as whole. So I can show and develop my personality even further.
And how much you scored in your class 10th, Manish?
In class 10th, my overall percentage is 91.6%.
91.6%. How much you are expecting in class 12th?
In class 12th, I am expecting around same 92, 93.
92, 93%. And you told us you are from Chennai,
Yes.
right? And you, like for your studies, for your preparation for ND as well as for your schooling, you came, so it is a far distance
Yes,
from
sir.
Chennai and Dehradun.
Yes.
Was there any kind of a cultural shock you found when you arrived in Dehradun?
So it was not much, because even in Chennai, people from various places and cultural backgrounds come there. So I got adapted to different cultures. So here, though it was slightly different, like the air quality here, the less pollution, less traffic.
Climate is
and
quite different.
Climate is different. It's cold in
That's
here, and a language shift.
Language.
But other than that, it was like mostly similar.
But in Pratham Pag, you have like cadets from all across the region, from all
Yes,
across
sir.
India.
The like cadets from South India, North India, East, West, everywhere.
Okay, and have you learned some Hindi at Doon Defence Academy?
Yes, like I can understand Hindi now, and I can speak broken Hindi.
And have you taught someone Tamil?
Yes, sir. I've taught Tamil and Telugu both to like lot of people here.
Okay, share your experience in Tamil to our audience who will be listening in Tamil Nadu and down south of Doon Defence Academy.
Doon Defence Academyன்றது ரொம்ப ஒரு நல்ல அகாடமி. எனக்கு வந்து ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருந்தது. இங்கே நல்ல படிப்பு எல்லாம் சொல்லி கொடுப்பாங்க. அதனால இங்கே வந்தக்கப்புறம் நான் எனக்குள்ளே நிறைய சேஞ்ச் அப்புறம் டெவலப்மெண்ட்லாம் பார்த்தேன். இது எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருந்தது. அப்புறம் என்னோட எய்மான இந்த இந்தியாவும் கிளியர் பண்ணுறதுக்கு இந்த அகாடமி ரொம்பவே உதவி பண்ணிச்சு. அதனால இந்த அகாடமிக்கு நான் ரொம்ப நன்றி சொல்லணும்னு இருக்கேன்.
Okay, thank you. And how many times you have interacted with Sandeep sir? Do you have interaction? There must be some like motivational classes.
He comes like almost twice or thrice in the span of 2 months, and he gives some motivation speech, and he also guides us throughout his speeches, which improves my way and also my aim to work towards NDA, IM and any other.
And any message you want to share with the aspirants who are preparing, those who couldn't make in this written examination of NDA, any message for them? What are your tips? Share with them.
First I feel is like we have to practice, and we should not overthink or procrastinate, because even that wastes time. And if we start working hard, and if we truly worked out with right guidance, like for me it was the faculty of DDA, if we truly worked out with guidance, then we could do it, because hard work without guidance is like rowing fast but without knowing where the shore is.
Great words.
Thank
Manish. So that is a message from Manish, a youngster from Chennai who cleared his written examination, and we say best of luck, Manish, for your SSB examination as well as for your board examination.
Thank you, sir.
So this is how cadet get changed when they join Doon Defence Academy. They may be from any part of India, from Tamil Nadu, from Odisha, from Manipur, from Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan, anywhere from India. They can join us if you want to prepare for the NDA examination or JEE examination. You want to prepare for both. Even for NEET examination, you need an environment, you need a discipline, you need a guidance. And for that, Doon Defence Academy is a perfect place. As our cadets, these are the real stories, you know, and we are sure that he will be like clearing his SSB examination with flying colors. So share this video with any person you want who want to join armed forces, be it your friends, be it your relatives, be your knowns. So that is a great speaking with you, Manish.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you and best of luck.
So thank you, sir.
Thank you. Jai Hind.
Kindly subscribe DDA YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.